Hi everyone, welcome back with me again at the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create this thinking confused overlay or thinking confused effects in CapCut PC. So here you can just start by adding a video of you thinking or like looking confused or like this. And after that, you can just add the math thinking confused overlay into CapCut. So I'm going to click on import, click here, and then just find the videos. So let's find it. Okay, this one. Click on open, and then you can see this is the preview. You can just drag it to put it on top. I'm going to adjust the durations. And now what you need to do is just click on the overlay and find the plan here. On the drop down and change the mode into screen. So here you can adjust the opacity, and now I'm going to make the layer at the bottom. So I'm going to just copy and paste the clip like this, put it on top, and let's remove the background of this one. Just wait. Okay, so now it's already in the background, and this is how it will look like. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the links. Bye.